Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the Redmi Smart Band 2, okay, an affordable fitness tracker from Xiaomi, okay, or Xiaomi Redmi, okay. So this wearable, so it supports, as you can see here, several functions including message notifications as well as call notifications. So we have here the notification feature of the smartwatch. Okay, so you can receive notifications as well as app notifications, okay, SMS and call notifications. So we are going to check on that, of course, with our Mi Fitness app. Okay, so we are going to have a demo on the SMS as well as the app notifications for the Redmi Smart Band. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Okay, so we are now ready with our Redmi Smart Band 2, and we are already paired here with the Redmi or the Mi Fitness application. Okay, so we have here, we are connected our Redmi Smart Band 2 with the Mi Fitness app. Okay, so let's check on first with our notification feature here. Okay, so let's check if we have the permission to receive messages. So we have here the app notifications. Tap on it. So let's check. Receive only when phone is locked. Okay. Synced all notifications. Let's activate it. Okay, let's check this first. Okay, app notifications. Let's see. So we have here messaging. Okay, activated. WhatsApp activated. Okay, I guess what we need is this one, the WhatsApp and the SMS messaging. Okay, so we'll just go to or set it to custom notifications. Then let's see any other details here. Okay, so no more details for the notifications. Let's see here. Okay, let's remove the details. Okay, go to our Bluetooth function. Let's double check. Okay, M41, watch audio. Okay, so let's check. I guess this is our fitness tracker here. Okay, so there's no details for the smart band. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have here our smart band and we have here another phone. Okay, we are going to use this one to send message to our smartphone, okay, that is connected here, okay, to our Redmi Smart Band 2. Let's see if we will receive the push notifications. Okay, let's go to SMS. Okay, we used this one before, so let's check. Redmi, this is SMS. Redmi, hello. Okay, so let's send a message. Okay, hopefully we will receive the notification. Okay, as you can see here, we have the message. Okay, how can you read the message here? Let's check. Don't tell me it's just a notification. Okay, okay, so Redmi, hello. Okay, just now. Okay, let me show it to you closer. Preview. Okay, Redmi, hello. Okay, let's have another one. Let's have another one. Okay, okay, we felt some vibration. and we have here the message. Okay, let's have another one. As you can see here, you can read the message as well as you can delete it. Going back, or can we access the notifications here? Okay, workout, activity. Let's see if we have it here. Okay, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, weather, events, camera, alarm, stopwatch, timer, settings. No, there's no options here. The only way that you can access the notifications is here, swiping from app to down. Okay, then let's have this one, the application notification. Okay, Redmi from WhatsApp. Red. Okay, so let's try. Okay, a vibration, and we have it here with the icon Redmi from WhatsApp application. Okay, gone back, let's see. So we have here previous message. Okay, so it can store at least several messages here. Just tap so that you can read the message. One back. Okay, let's have another one. Redmi 2. Okay, again. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, so you can read the messages here, but you cannot reply. There's no quick reply option. Okay, so there's a personalized icon here. This is for the SMS, and we have an icon for the WhatsApp application. Okay, so let's try to call. Okay, let's see if we can receive a call notification. Incoming voice call. Okay, so it is coming from the, as you can see here, it's coming from the WhatsApp application. So let's end. How about for the phone? Okay, let's check. Call. It's now calling the number. Okay, as you can see here, so you have an option to silent or deny the call. Let's see. Okay, and it's still that. So that is silent. Okay, let's try to end the call. Okay, missed call. So you have a notification here. Okay, then let's try this one, and it stopped. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so it works. Okay, so we have a call notification with the option to block calls or end calls or silent the call. Okay, let me show it to you. Again, the difference here. Call. Okay, so silent, and it's still receiving call here. Let's end. Okay, then another one. Okay, I will end, then or block the calls. Block the calls. Let's see. Okay, see, it works. Okay, a cool feature in the Redmi, okay, Smart Band 2. So I have the option here to silent or block or end the call. And of course, you have here the notifications on the Smart Band. Okay, we have the messages, we have the application notifications, and we have here the missed calls with the number and a caller ID. Okay, so that's it for the call notifications of and SMS app notifications of the Redmi Smart Band 2. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.